How to send email campaigns with Cheerio. On your Cheerio platform, go to your left-hand side, go to the contacts page here. Select the all contacts from your right-hand top here. Upload a file, put a file name. Download the template here. The template looks like this. So check the format here. You can put your name, phone number, email address, and any other informations to do more segmentation of your customer segment. Upload the file here like this. Go to next. Map the details here. If you don't want to map anything further, you can skip and map, go to next, and the file will be uploaded. You can check the file under the label sections here. To send the email campaigns, go to the left-hand side, go to the email manager, click on your manage sender ID. Create a new sender here by clicking this option. Fill the details here. Once you fill the details, you will receive an email. Just approve the email, and after that, you're ready to shoot a campaign. Now here, from your left-hand side, go to the email builder. Here, create a template. Just read the documents that is there. Once you have read it, you can click and I understand. Here in your left-hand side, you can see there are few details are there. Columns, buttons, dividers, heading. So suppose you want to add a column here. Okay. So first I want to add a header. Just drag and drop it. Add a column here. Choose the column how you want to set it up. From your left hand side, again, if you want to add a text here, drag and drop the text here. Similarly, if you want to add an image here, drag and drop that. If you want to add any social media channels, you can do the same here. If you want to add a button, again, do that. If you want any kind of menu options or so, you can drag and drop. By this format, you can design your own email. Once you've done it, just save the designs and make an announcement. If you want to see the pre-built template that's already there, you can go to the template library here, go to the email templates here, and you can see a lot of templates are already here approved. If you want to, like any template from here, just use this template. And from here, you can update the details. Once you update it, you can save the details here. And when you're ready to shoot the campaign, just make an announcement. You can put your campaign name, put a subject line, put a preview text, thus 2 to 3 words of text that the customer can see before opening the template. Select the label you want to send, and after that, schedule the campaign or make an announcement as per your convenience. Thank you.